No rules, speak English confidently. How to get fluent in English. Hey friends, if you are learning in English and waiting to get perfect grammar before you speak, stop right there. Here's the truth, you don't need any rules to speak English confidently. Today in this video, I will explain some important mistake as a beginner of you, how to start your journey or how to get fluent in English. Let's dive in. Right now, you think I practice my English in every day, in every single day. But after though I can't get any fluency when I make sentence, when I speak in English with my friends. My friend, one motivation line always remember. Speak out loudly and fix later and your fluency will come in your learning way if you try work hard. So don't wait for fluency, don't wait for perfection. You just practice yourself, you just practice your English with yourself, and one day your fluency is waiting for you. If you're new here, my name is Tonmoy. I especially make video improving English and personal development, and sometimes I reveal some financial advice. It's totally up to you. If you follow the chapter or routine, you will get immense output in your learning way. I can't waste your time because I am also beginner. I practice in every single day and I will be consistent. This motivation, resolve, this determination you have to create with yourself. And I am also same. In my every videos, what I am saying, just try to implement, make it habit, and one day you will get real outcome. Basically, in our learning, in anything, when we start our journey, let take a assumption, I think assume that you start your journey as an English speaker and you practice your English in every single day. But after 1 month later, you guess about yourself that when I will be a perfectionist, when I will be an English master, this type of thinking, this kind of thoughts always destroy your feelings, always kill your life. Don't need think kind of. Yes, don't want to be perfectionist. Don't wait perfection because perfection is the enemy. Now we move on. Chapter number 1, perfection is enemy. Yes, you listening right. As a beginner, when I start my journey, I am also assume that when I speak English fluently and perfectly, I will be English master. I will be a pro learner. I will be a premium English speaker. I am also think this type of. But after 1 month or 2 months later, I realized that no, this is wrong realization, wrong perception to be master in English. Right now, if you think that you will be English master, you will be a pro learner Englishman, pro learner consulting in English, then you are going wrong. Your mind is going blank. You don't understand while you going in hell. So don't take this type of decision. Rather, cling to with your learning. Rather, stick to with your future in your learning way. In every single day, you practice your English like 5 minutes. Even if you are just starting, even if you are 20 words, you make sentence. You can make sentence. Even if you are in going to make sentence, don't worry. Just practice with yourself. Every learner make mistake. They are always waiting for right moment. You know, here's the truth. Right moment never come. Obviously, if you think that one day I will be English speaker, then your thinking, your Present thinking kill your future. So, what is fluency? What type of fluency you have to get when you practice your English? You know, fluency isn't nothing. Fluency means you understand. Fluency means it's not about that you show your attitude, you show your gesture. Rather, it's totally about to understand, being understand. If you think that you just speak your English and someone don't catch up your sentence, someone don't understand your English vocabulary, then your struggle, your hard work is going hell. So please, when you speak English, just try to speak properly. I know, though you are mistake, don't worry. Just apologize for yourself and take some motivation from your God that yes, today I make mistake, but one day I solve the problem. I improve myself in every single day. That's actually help your learning path. That actually arrive in your future. In every video, I always say that I can't waste your time because I also face the problem at a time, sometime in my life. And you know that when you take a decision, how much pain is this? Because some people they don't take a decision. They don't know how to take the decision, how to start the journey in your life. So don't wait, feel motivation, don't wait, proper vocabulary, proper mindset, I think proper grammatical rules. Rather start using these steps, this formula. Practice your English in every single day, even if you are starting. Let's take a short story. I think in front of yourself right now, a one girl, and in front of me right now, one girl. But I speak in English with properly, confidently with the girl. I think frankly, what I actually want to say, what I actually want to know about the girl. And I just speak in English frankly. And also I negotiate with the girl properly and confidently. But you can't because you freeze, you feel stuck, you get shy. That's actually problem. You always focus, fix the problem. How to fix the problem? No, speak loudly from today. Fix later. Right now you think that when you face, just realize, just relate this problem with your lifestyle. When you face a problem, what actually you do? What should you done? What? Just think about yourself. You always find your problem, right? And you always find a solution that how to solve the problem. So you have to same thing apply. Just think about yourself at first, at a time. Then you solve the problem. So in English, you speak English from this today. Fix the letter later. I know even if you are mistaking to make sentence, and I am also same as a beginner, I make mistake to create a sentence. So why you get stuck? No, you are going wrong way. Don't get stuck. If you have actually what you have actually today, just start your journey. Don't wait. Don't wait for anything. Nothing can be help you. There is any person to help you. That's you. Yes, that's you. The more you practice, the smoother you become. So, practice yourself. Now we move on. Chapter number 2. Speak loudly from this today and fix later. Well, how to start the journey in your life? Don't focus then where to fix the problem. So, just start speaking from this today. What you do, what you know, and what's your favorite hobby. Just take a short story, just take a word, and with the word you create your one sentence, you create your one summarization. You know, and I am also know that you are mistaking. Even if you are mistake in your short story, even if you are create a sentence with 5 words, with 10 words, no worry, just start your journey and speak in English in every single day. That actually help you. Right now you don't understand what's the benefit of English. One day after, right now, if you start your journey, if you unstoppable to learn in English with fun or easy way, after 1 year or 2 year later, you get the real outcome. When you face a lots of problem, when you entry in a job level, then someone ask yourself that you know about English, then if you don't answer, then these people fired you. But if you speak in English, they are accepting, they are receiving your personalization, they are receiving your personality, they love you. I think you got it. So start your journey, and even if you are practicing your English 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, just keep going. And every single day, don't wait for anyone. Just practice with yourself. To be honest, let's take another real story. If you don't build your house, you can't live, right? So you have to build a practice plan. You have to create a consistent plan that basically will be fruitful, that literally will be helped in your learning way. Now we move on. Chapter number 3, practice through plan. Right now you see in the world a lots of people, a lots of entrepreneur, creatorpreneur, businessmen, they are always create a plan to succeed, to arrive in their future way, in their learning way. So why not you? You have to apply same thing in your learning way. As a beginner, when I start my journey, I don't understand this type of formula, kind of chapter, kind of negotiation. But day by day, when I speak in English, I practice my English with myself, then I realize, because you know that in every single day I listen podcast, and from this podcast I take a lots of motivation. I grave a lots of negotiation that actually help myself. And right now you see in front of you the real outcome. Just realize, just compare that who I am right now, who am I? Yes, that actually comparison about me or another. Just let's take a short story, and with the short story, create your one summarization. Just find out your problems, even if you are mistaking to make sentence. No worry about that. No worry. Eventually, how to build your action plan to be consistent, to speak English fluently and frankly. You can read book, right? You can listen podcast, right? You can note down your thoughts, right? And I know that you are also practicing this type of formula. But after though, you can't get English fluency. You can't arrive in your learning way because you don't focus what matters today. You always focus your problem. Sometimes you make mistake to create a sentence, but you always get stuck that why I can't make sentence. This type of sentence, this type of thoughts always kill yourself, and that's why you can't achieve your English fluency. You can't boost your English fluency. That actually destroy your feelings. So from this today, don't focus kind of thoughts. Rather start using this formula, what I am saying actually today in my this video. So if you found this video is helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing content, for real conversation. Stay, be happy, be motivated, and practice your English in every single day. Even if you are mistaking, even if you realize, even if you memorize 20 words that actually you achieve from today. Just start your journey and don't look at anything. Someone criticize about yourself, no worry, because they has a right to criticize about yourself. You just create your plan and just be consistent, be unstoppable with your learning way, and one day obviously you get real outcome. Ultimately, I want to say you one thing: don't want to be perfectionist person, don't want perfection grammatical rules. You need to be brave, that help you. This is your power. Let's start your journey and let's practice your English in every single day.